In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password in Proton VPN. To get started, open your browser and search for Proton VPN. From the search results, click on the official Proton VPN website to make sure you're on the correct page. Once the site loads, look for the option that says Get Proton VPN and click it. This will take you into the Proton environment where you can access your account options. From there, click on Account. This is where Proton VPN keeps your profile and security settings, including your password options. Once you're in the account area, find and click on Change Password. If you already know your current password, you could normally change it there. But since this tutorial is about resetting it, go ahead and click on Forgot Password instead. After selecting Forgot Password, click Continue. This tells Proton VPN that you want to verify your identity before setting a new password. At this point, Proton will send a verification code to your email inbox. Open your email account, go to your inbox, and look for the message containing the verification code. If you don't see it right away, it may help to refresh your inbox or check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, copy the verification code carefully. Then go back to the Proton VPN page and type in or paste the verification code into the provided field. After entering it, click Verify Account. This step confirms that you have access to the email linked to the account, which is an important part of keeping your account secure. Now you'll be prompted to create a new password. Type your new password into the New Password field, then enter the same password again in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. It's a good idea to create a strong password that's hard to guess but still memorable for you. In general, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols can help improve security. Once both password fields are filled in correctly, click Save. Proton VPN will then update your account with the new password. After that, your password reset is complete, and you should be able to sign in using your new credentials. If you're updating your password on a shared or public device, make sure you sign out when you're done. And if your browser offers to save the password, only allow that if you trust the device. That's how to reset your password in Proton VPN.